Welcome to Drawleaper channel, and in today's video I am going to show you how to enable fingerprint lock in your Samsung Galaxy S24 phone. Now the first thing you have to do is go to your settings app. From here scroll down and then go to security and privacy. From here scroll down a bit and then go to biometrics. From here tap on fingerprints and then enter your PIN. Then tap on continue. Then tap on continue again. Then tap on register. Now from here to add fingerprint, first you have to place your finger on the fingerprint sensor and lift it up several times. Now just do it. And it's done. Then tap on done. Now you can see fingerprint has been added successfully in my phone. If you want to enable fingerprint lock, you have to just tap here. Now fingerprint lock is enabled. Also, if you want to add more fingerprint, you can easily do it by tapping here. And that is how you can enable fingerprint lock in your Samsung Galaxy S24 phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.